right, for these questions, you're going to complete the congruency statement for each pair of congruent triangles. Then you're going to state which reason you use to determine if the triangles are congruent. If not, write none. Okay, so the first one, EFG, let's see if that is going to be congruent by what property. Well, let's mark it. Well, we have a side, 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 so we can say side, side, side. Take a look at how it's written, EFD. So it starts here, then goes to F, then it goes to D. So here it's going to go from G, H, then D. So it goes from G, H, then D. Number 2. Let's take a look. We have an A here and A here. This is by reflex, so you get a side. So this is congruent by angle, side, angle. We write from A, B, then goes across to C. So this is going to be T, B, C. So T, B, then goes across to C. Let's mark this one. We have a side angle. This is reflexive, so it's extra side. So this is going to be congruent by side angle side. L, then goes to K, then to M. So JKM would be its corresponding triangle JKM. Now let's take a look at number 4. ABC, well, we can get this by angle. So it's angle, angle, angle. There's no such thing. We write just none. Can't prove it's congruent. 5, well, we have a vertical angle here. This is an A. This is an A. This is a side. AAS. Let's take a look. ABC. So A, B, then C. So it's going to go E, D, and C. E, D, and C.